శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Tritiya Skandham, third Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, and he is saying that, O Vidura, Adivaraha Swami killed Hiranyaksha. And at that time Chaturmukha Brahma and all Devatas came down and appreciating the fortune of Hiranyaksha because he got to be killed by Sakshat Paramatma himself. Even great yogis, great rishis also would not get Paramatma Darsanam. Here this Hiranyaksha, he did not get just Darsanam, but he was kicked by Sakshat Paramatma's divine feet. He was hit by Sakshat Paramatma's divine hands, and like that Hiranyaksha could leave his body. That is how all the Devatas appreciating the opportunity of Hiranyaksha and also saying that Tanmukhamburuhamun darsinchuchunchache durbharita uttam sudu daitya vallabhuni saubhagyambuta nettido. And while looking at Sakshat Paramatma, Hiranyaksha could depart from the body. What such a great fortune this is. Like that all the Devatas appreciating that and saying that this Hiranyaksha and Hiranyakasipa, Etautau Parshadau, these two are gatekeepers of Paramatma. Sapat Yatau Asadgatim, because of a curse they had to born like Asuras. And very soon they will be killed by Sakshat Paramatma and again they will go back to Sri Vaikuntham. Like that all the Devatas are thinking and recollecting all the past events, and then now they are doing namaskaram to Yajnavaraha Swami. Namo namaste akhila yajna tantave. Ho Paramatma, you are the one who would kill all those who destroys our Sanatana Dharma and Yajnas. Like that you are the one who protects our Dharma. Ho Prabho Srimannarayana, we surrender to you. We always want to be at your service. We always feel that we will be happy if we are in your service. Like that all the Devatas prayed Yajnavaraha Swami. Maitreya teaching all these things to Vidura. And now saying that, O Vidura, when Paramatma came down as Adivaraha Swami, after he killed Hiranyaksha, Jagama Lokam, he went back to his divine abode Sri Vaikuntham. After hearing this story, Vidura started feeling so happy and also thinking that if we just happen to hear great people's great stories, itself gives so much happy. Now I am getting to hear Sakshat Paramatma's divine miraculous activities. There is no surprise that I am getting so happy, and also I am getting so content after hearing these divine stories. Like that Vidura feeling within his mind. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. ఓం శ్రీకృష్ణ పరబ్రహ్మణే నమః. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.